All right, so ever since I jumped into this solar system stuff for the lights outside as well as the lab lights, people have been asking me what's the biggest money saver, what's the biggest hack that I used to get this whole thing started. And to be completely honest with you, it's this. You need to learn to crimp, make your own wires and connectors, cables, etc. You have cables here that'll cost you like hundreds of bucks when you can just buy the wire, buy the end terminals, and buy the $5 tool. So my biggest advice to having a solar system is to learn to make your own cables. Just try.